Students, in this video we are going to study about the forest ecosystem. A forest is a large area of land covered by tall trees and may have dense undergrowth of bushes and shrubs. Forests almost cover the 30% of the earth land surface and account for over 75% of its biomass. So what is biomass? The total number of living organisms in a given area of the environment. So forests play an important role in slowing down the global warming because they soak the carbon dioxide, because forest is rich in plantation trees, so they absorb the extra carbon dioxide and they help in slowing down the process of global warming. They also contribute in the water cycle and climatic changes, also they contribute in the formation of area. Now we will, and the forest consists of flora and fauna. Flora means the plants of a particular area and fauna means the animals of a particular area. Now we will discuss about the layer of the forest. So basically there are three types of layers in a forest: forest floor, understory and canopy. One more layer is present in the rainforest also, that is known as the emergent layer. So student, forest floor consists of fallen leaves, dead animals and insects which lives under this forest floor or on the surface of this forest floor. Then come to the second layer, that is known as the understory. This consists of herbs to shrubs, bushes, young trees, means which are not very tall. Now third one is the canopy. It consists of tall mature trees, climbers, epiphytes. And emergent layers which are present in the rainforest consist of tallest trees, means which are, it make a thin layer over the canopy. So here you can see about the different types of layers which I have already told you. Now types of forest. Forest is divided into evergreen or deciduous. Evergreens means whose leaves are not shed throughout the year. They shed their leaves and remain green throughout the year. And deciduous which shed their leaves in a particular period of time. They are known as the deciduous. Forests are also divided according to their latitudes, means height. So one is the tropical, second one is the temperate and third one is the boreal. Tropical forest is again divided into tropical rainforest, tropical decidual forest and tropical thorn forest. Temperate is further divided into evergreen, temperate evergreen forest, temperate deciduous forest and boreal is also known as the taiga. So boreal generally consists of the area which is covered with the snow, such as higher altitudes of Canada, etc. They are also known as the taiga. So we will discuss about the tropical rainforest, deciduous thorn and temperate evergreen and deciduous. Tropical rainforest generally they are evergreen forests with warm and humid climate throughout the year. They may get the rainfall from 200 cm to 1000 cm sometimes. Amazon is the largest rainforest. And I already told you they have the emergent layer, and you can know the different types of vegetation or trees present on this layer. Then come to the tropical deciduous forest. They are above the rainforest and slightly higher latitude than the rainforest. They receive less rainfall as compared to the rainforest, and they receive the maximum rainfall wet or rainforest and have a wet season in which they receive the maximum rainfall. So these forests are also called the monsoon forest. They have the deciduous broadleaf trees that shed during the dry season. Examples are jarul, teak, seal, sal, queen's creep, etc. Their example. And animals are tiger, deer, sloth bear, elephants. So you should know the vegetation as well as the flora and fauna. Both you should know. Means flora here chinchana, Sweetania, etc. and the flora and the fauna is monkeys, sloth, jaguars. Then tropical thorn forest consists of the trees which or the area which receive very little rainfall, and it consists of the thorny trees, so it is also known as the tropical thorn forest. And plants available here are Acacia, Euphorbia, and the animals are rat, mice, rabbit, foxes which generally live under the soil. Now come to the temperate forest. Temperate consists of temperate evergreen, means their leaves do not shed on a particular season but shed throughout the year, so it remain green. And the temperate deciduous means which shed their leaves in particular time. Now come to the boreal, which I have already told you. They are present in Canada, Siberia, Scandinavia, and they are also known as the tyke.